Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this episode, we will be learning how to add captions to a video in Canva. To add captions to a video in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application and create a new design with a video template. After you've added the video in the design, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the text button. Under dynamic text option over here, tap on captions. Now, select video to caption, simply tap on the little drop down over here and select the video that you've just added. Make sure that you have check mark on it and now click on generate caption. Wait for a couple of minutes and your caption will be generated for the chosen video. And there you have successfully added caption for your selected video template. Now simply go ahead and place your caption in the desired area within the frame. You can also change the font for your caption by using these options at the bottom while selecting your caption. Change the font size for your caption, font color, and other elements from the available buttons at the bottom. That's how you can easily add caption to a video in Canva with just a simple click. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.